So I'm doing a wash today. Nothing particularly different, except I'm using my solar batteries. So that extension cable goes to the garage where I have my inverter there. And instead of plugging into this outlet here, the washer is plugged into the extension cord. So we'll see if the solar batteries can successfully do a wash. So the washer draws maybe 2 to 6 amps at the most, but on startup you'll need a lot more current. So I have a GE Hydro Wave, and the low size is on super because you don't always get enough water unless it is on super. So I think it's starting up now, and I think it's running on solar battery power. Yeah, this will be at least half an hour going back and forth like that. That's my hot point dryer, gas dryer. This is the GE hot point. This is like the cheap model, but it works well. It's basic, simple. So now it's running on solar. So the wash cycle uses about 244 watts, which is nothing. So this is a 3500 watt Vevor inverter. So I have this maybe for a couple of years and it's working fine. And I have about 10 kilowatt hour of assorted lithium iron phosphate batteries. So this is the battery voltage now, 13.5, and I have about 230 watts coming in, about 16 amps. This is a 12-volt system. So the rinse cycle has begun. So the rinse cycle is only 170 watts. So the spin cycle is starting now is 365 watts. Not a whole lot. So this is spinning dry now. It uses about 365 watts, which is not that much. My rice cooker uses more than that. So I think that's about what
running the washer with my DIY solar power system is quite doable.